Hello, this is the third part of our project, the banking system, to demonstrate the concept of functions and method in Java. So we finished the two methods, the login method and the deposit method. So now it's time to work on the third one, which is the withdraw method, and we'll do the same here. I am going to return some values, something from this method, and this will be as integer, which represent the balance after this process with this operation or this transaction. With withdraw, this is the method that we are going to do. So now, in order to make this method working correctly, then we need to get the amount that the user want to withdraw. Here, because this method is returning something, as we decided here, it's integer, so we need at the end of the method to return something here as an integer to, as you know, that the return is a statement that is terminating the method and returning to the caller or to the main where we call the method. So here I'm going to do the operation. The balance here will be updated by the amount of the money that we entered, and then we can either return the current balance after this process, and this is of type integer. This is the global one, and you can ask why we need to return it if it is a global variable. So it's up to you. You can do this method as a void, as we did it here with the deposit, or you can do in this way. I am showing you different alternatives, different ways to handle the method to show you all the cases. So we are done with this method, and now we can just go ahead into the main and we can call this method. So this method is returning something, so I can print the return value, or we can current balance is, and here I will call this method with the amount that we want to withdraw. Here how much money you want to draw, let's say 200, and this is the thing. So if we want to make this method more accurate, we need to make sure that we have enough money in this account. So here we want to check if the account balance is greater than or equals to the amount that we want to withdraw. Then we can do this operation. Otherwise, else do not do any update. You can say a message there is no enough, and then returning the account whether we updated it or not, just to return the current one. Okay, so here is the things, and we can run it displaying admin, username, password, and then the amount of deposit 1000. We just withdraw a fixed number, which is 200, and now we have the rest of 800. So this is the second part, and we'll go ahead and complete the other parts. Make sure to watch all the parts to finish all this project. We'll update the main to make a menu, and we'll accept some input from the user and do all the needed operations. So thank you for watching, and see you soon.